CyronMotor AC11567AR is a 2-inch insert for a turn signal on motorcycles that the turn signals don't operate as run and brake. In this case, this has a couple of wires, the red and the purple wire that connect to the run and brake. And as you can see here, in the run mode, you have a red halo. That's the brake mode, which the halo becomes much brighter. And then in the turn signal, the center of the light turns amber. Again, for motorcycles that have turn signals that do not function as run and brake. Thank you for watching.